Hello guys, welcome to Peda. In this video I am going to show how you can use Kinemaster for free without any subscription. You do not need to pay money for subscription of annually. First of all, I have already shown you in my previous video how you can download any paid apps and hack them through the application AC Market. Here the same process you need to follow to download AC Market, and now open the app AC Market. After opening the app, you will get something like this on your screen. Click on the search and type Kinemaster. I have already searched, so it is appearing here. Click on Kinemaster and it is already told it is installed in my device. Because I have already installed, I was only showing you the process how you can download Kinemaster. So after all this process, since I have already Kinemaster in my device, I will just click on it and open. Just open Kinemaster. After opening, you will get something on the screen. When it get open, it will ask for running analysis and remind me later. If your device is of low price and your device doesn't support 720p HD after editing the video, or if you are a YouTuber and you have already known all these things, you should click on remind me later. Since my device is of low price, I am clicking here. If I run the analysis, the video I edit after creating them will be of low quality, so I clicked on this. And if you click on run analysis, the hardware of your devices are scanned by this Kinemaster, and the firmware that your device supports only are adjusted on your settings. So I will show you in the setting. If we click on remind me later, we will get 720p HD videos after editing, but layer is not supported in my device. If I run analysis, layer is supported, but picture is of 360p that pixel, which is very low quality, so I doesn't run the analysis. If your device is of high price and your device is branded, you can click on run analysis. Now I am going to show you how. This 16.9 is for square rectangular feet screen videos. This is for recorded videos of your device, and this one is rarely used, but it is for square fitting. So let me click on first one. After clicking on first one, see here there is no watermark. If you think that only after, let me click on this. Then after clicking this image, I'll click on right. See here you can see that no any watermark is there. That means your Kinemaster is totally subscribed, that is paid. Now let me show you about my account. See here, subscription information is written. A subscription is already done. This means that Kinemaster is already activated and you do not need to depend on anything here. And that was all about how to use Kinemaster free. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video.